everybody! Welcome to day 11 of the Advent Calendar. It is the 11th of December. Hope you're all very well. Today I am wearing a maternity hack of the Joni dress from the Tilly and the Buttons book Stretch, which was another one that I lived in over the summer last year. Marvellous dress, and the hack is just that the bottom seam at the front is extended by 4 inches or so that as your bump grows it kind of comes up to being level. So it's really easy to de-maternity it at the end by just chopping that bit off and levelling off the hem. Having said that, I haven't bothered to do that, I've just left it long. I may do it at some point, but also, life's too short. So it's in this lovely jade green Ginko leaf stretch fabric, which I got from My Fabrics, I think, and I've made a couple of things for Matilda out of the offcuts because I had a few offcuts. It has a twist at the front at the V and an empire line, so it's perfect. Really comfortable, lovely dress. Wore it to work a lot because it was a nice sort of smart but very comfortable dress to wear. So highly recommended, and of course the non-maternity version is great. She doesn't even include the pattern piece from the maternity hack. She just tells you to extend the front by 4 inches. Pattern in the book is the non-maternity version. I've said the word maternity too much now. Anyway, in other news, had my hair cut. Yes, exciting. I sort of did that thing where I came out of the hairdresser and went, I don't feel like this has changed very much. But then looking back to the videos that I was editing earlier in the week, where it was, sort of long, it is a bit different. Yes, my hairdresser is on the wrong side of London for me now, so I'm starting to think I need to find another one because otherwise it's a real whole mission to get there. But I left Matilda with Ben, my fiance, and the 2 boys, and I went off for the day and had a haircut and ate Black Forest Gatto cake. It was pretty blissful, to be honest. That was very nice. Feeling slightly refreshed after that. So that's good. Today's joke is a good one, so I say to myself, and Christmas themed. What did the puddle say to the snowman? Is it me or is it getting really hot in here? That's good. Anyway, today's tip is coming up now. I hope you enjoy. So I'm pretty tired and clearly talking is beyond me. So I decided to film now as an interesting choice. Anyway, yes, today's Advent hack is coming up now. I hope you enjoy it and find it interesting and useful. And I will see you again tomorrow for day 12 when we'll be halfway through. Good. All right then. See you then. Bye. Today's tip is all about stabilising zips. This one I learned from actually lots and lots of places. If you want to stabilise a zip opening, which I now always do, you can cut a strip of fusible interfacing 1 1/4 inches wide or 3 centimetres and place it down where your zip is going to get placed. By doing it that width, it means that you can just fold it in half, so make the edges of the interfacing strip meet, and you will have automatically folded it to the seam allowance of 5/8 of an inch or 1.5 centimetres, which makes everything significantly simpler. Now this footage is from my Rita blouse because I recently did this and I filmed it for it, so I'm recycling it. But once you've done that, it means that you can insert your zip into your fabric much more easily and there's less chance of it puckering. I believe in America you can buy interfacing in strips this long. I think there's a company called Keezy that make it. I have not been able to find anywhere in the UK that sells it. If someone knows of a supplier, please do leave a comment because I'd love to be able to find some. It's fine to cut it myself, but I'm lazy and it would be very handy to have some just on a reel. So there you are, a little bit of zip stabilisation tippage for you today.